Hey everyone, Irit here, and I'm excited to share with you a free online course. Course officially starts next week on Monday. That's March 2nd, 2020, and it is completely free. So this course is all about making this adorable little rainbow sketchbook, which acts as a great prompt for just sketching and having fun with watercolors. So in the course, I show you how to make this journal. It's really fast and you hardly need anything. And then I show you some fun little abstract florals. So all you need for the course is some watercolor paper, and I used this thin watercolor paper that I found in my local art store. It's by a company called Sketchbook. I tried to find them online. I have no idea who they are, where they're from, but that's what I used. You can use any kind of watercolor paper you want, some watercolors, a brush, watercolor pencils if you have those. It's not a must. I also added some pretty doilies just for decoration, and I stitched mine using a sewing machine, but you don't have to. So follow the link, and I hope to see you in class.